We are students from the University of Massachusetts Amherst participating in an environmental leadership project for our natural resource conservation class. We worked with the Massachusetts Department of Conservation and Recreation to travel to Old Growth Forest in Cummington, Mass. The DCR works to protect and enhance our Commonwealth's natural, cultural, and recreational resources. They manage state-owned land and work with private landowners to properly conserve the state's natural resources. We chose to work with this organization so that we could address a problem that's underrepresented and underestimated in our society and media. Our mission? To seek out and destroy invasive plant species that have been wreaking havoc on the forest's ecosystem.
We worked with Sean Libbey, an experienced DCR forester. He helped us identify and remove 3 invasive plant species: glossy buckthorn, multiflora rose, and Japanese barberry. Glossy buckthorn's roots threaten the old growth ecosystem because they use a lot of the nutrients that more essential plants need, and it constricts the space that other seeds and sprouts need to grow and reproduce.
Multiflora rose grows in dense thickets and occupies a lot of space. It stops the growth of indigenous plants and prevents native bird nesting. Its fruit is eaten and dispersed by birds, making it difficult to completely remove from an area. Finally, Japanese barberry crowds and outcompetes native species because of all the seeds produced by its dense stems. It can survive winters and sprout earlier than most other plants. It has a lot of thorns and no natural predators, so it easily takes over. We had no idea how much harm these plants could cause, and it was fascinating to have a true professional forester show us the real-life effects these species are having on the ecosystem.
Bad.
After learning how to identify the plants, we carefully uprooted them from the ground and hung them from tree branches. This part is important because it dries out the roots, which prevents them from reproducing the following season.
Yes, I conquered nature!
This strategy can be used for many other similar plants as well. To be sure though, you can always download and check out the Outsmart Invasive Species app, which helps to identify problematic species and report their location. You can download it on the App Store or visit the website at the bottom of the screen.
Even though our individual outing was a success, 6 people alone can't preserve and protect all of our forests. It takes widespread civic engagement to help prevent invasive species from disturbing local ecosystems. Taking action that makes positive impact on social, local, or global problems is more empowering than you'd think. At the end of the day, we all felt accomplished because we knew we did something meaningful by contributing to a good cause. By learning to identify and safely remove even a few invasive species, you too can make a huge impact on an ecosystem. Whether you're walking your dog, spending some time outside with friends, or just enjoying yourself in nature, you can be an environmental leader and remove any invasive species when possible.
So get out there,
Make a difference,
And have fun doing it.
because it's up to all of us.
to preserve our beautiful forests.
And this is uphill this time, no fair.
Pick the glossy buckthorn while you run by. I can see it from here.